That's 2. That's 3. You beautiful, sweet. Yes. Like that. Do it again. Do it. Do it. Do it like that. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it again. Do it. Do it.
It takes a lot of breath to do that.
Run my check, go. Run it up. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Oh, run my check, go.
But welcome, guys. Welcome to our new house. It's echoing. It's empty. It's echoing. Wiggly. In our other house, we didn't echo. No. Oh, because we was all in the same spot. Welcome to our new house, you guys. And we're about to give you a tour. We're about to give you a tour. Stay tuned. Hello. Hi. Welcome to my domain, guys. It's all me by myself. It's the bachelor pad. I've been waiting to just free myself, just be to myself. Psych! Look it! It's the new YUNGN gang. Ow! You hear that echo? Let's give you a tour. Okay, as you walk in, I like talking loud. I like this. This is the living room, guys. We got the, what you call these ceilings, baby?
I don't know, just high ceilings.
High ceilings. We'll call them mansion ceilings.
Okay.
We got mansion ceilings, super high. Where, you know, in our old house, we bump your head when you walk in. But nah, ain't no bumping heads unless you got there 10,000 feet top. But look, this is the living room. Now we got the fireplace. This is just a display because it doesn't work. However, it's still cute. So we can floss a little bit. We got the open, what you call this?
It would be where the TV go, I
Open
guess.
entertainment system?
I guess.
I don't know.
But our TV won't fit up there, so we just gonna use it for decoration.
Yeah, it'll look good. We're gonna put we'll put something
Cute
that's
up there.
electronic or something like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
But most of all our pictures are gonna go right here. And then we got the kitchen here. This is the dining room area. And y'all, FYI, side note, don't get used to this color. Don't get used to this. Don't get used to none of this, alright? You'll see why. But this is the open space for the dining area. As you can see, we're in the kitchen. We got the eye, what's that called, an eye? I'm from the hood. I know this. Oh. Okay, we ain't got no eyes. It's flat top oven. Google it. But it's a two-part. Back. You got the bottom, you got the top. You got a lot of cabinets, a lot of storage space. A lot of storage space. We got microwave up to top. We got the refrigerator with the ice machine, crushed ice, cubed ice, water. Oh gosh, you can do a lot with this. And as you can see again, we got a lot of cabinet space. So ain't no room for just stacking. We put everything where it belongs. We got the dishwasher. Alright, cabinet space again. Pantry area. We're gonna wash all of that. Like I said, y'all, this is day 2 of us, you know, being in the house, not living wise, but just having access to it. So what we've been doing was getting things together on how we're gonna decorate. So stay tuned. We got the wet bar area. See the bottom there. It's the wet bar area. This is where the Henny, the Patron, the Sangria. This is where all that's gonna be. You know what I'm saying? You can see I'm gonna be your bartender for tonight. Picture me with no clothes on, serving you. No clothes on, just serving you all this good loving and wine. Alright, come back around camera guys. We got more storage space, so you can put cutlery, you can put liquor, beer, all that good stuff. Come back around, come back around. Oh no, back up. I can't forget this area. Look at this. Charlie. Look at all that. This is the floor to ceiling windows right here. Did I get that right? Thank you. Floor to ceiling windows. Give you that bright view. Me and Lily said our next house has to have lighting. You remember at our old place, it was always dark. We had to have LED lights on to be able to record. Now, bro, we can walk through this beat and be recording all day long. You gonna see everything on my face. Crust, you gonna see when I don't brush my teeth. You gonna see boogers, all that. Alright, follow me guys. This is the hallway to the garage. But before we get to the garage, let me show you. This is the laundry room area. We're gonna have two big washer and dryers put in here. That's where we're gonna wash clothes. No more leaving the house to wash clothes. Same day service, bro. Same day service. Follow me. All right. Now, like I said, excuse the house. When we get a chance, we're gonna start dissecting everything later on. But this is a two-car garage, guys. So both of our Benzes is gonna be parked in here. The Benz Jeep, the Benz car. Until they get used to little Crayola, the Cruise out front. But we're gonna make this a storage area as well, like because it's so lonely, and we're gonna like section off a portion of this and make it our little workshop, like from here to here. It'll be our little workshop. We'll set up like a little blocked off area so you don't run anything over in here. But all right, moving right along, guys. Come on. This is the hallway where you can hang up your jackets. No more throwing your stuff on the floor, Mariah and Bryce. All right. Bedroom boom, my bedroom be booming for you. This is the bedroom, guys. We got the double trade ceilings, bolted ceilings. We got the ceiling fan. Don't get used to none of this. Like I said, don't get used to the color, guys, because everything is going to do a total 360 before we move in. And we'll have a second house tour for you, the decorated version. But right now, you're getting just an empty house. But this is, you see we got windows throughout the room. We need it. We're all about lighting, guys, I promise. We want to be able to have better quality videos for you guys. So a lot of decisions we made when we were house hunting was based off of y'all. Thanks for tuning in and giving us your ideas and staying tuned to us. So thanks again. But come on! Before I get emotional. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Come on before I get emotional now. Okay.
Hi, guys.
This is the jacuzzi. This is the jacuzzi jet tub. Garden tub at that. So you know it's gonna be a lot of love making. As you can see, the ceilings is high in here. Lights rack. We got the two sinks, so me and Lily won't be bumping into each other. A lot of cabinet space. Shower over here. And look, we got an extra area to use the bathroom. So you don't have to worry about blowing it down while somebody's in the shower. Then we got our closet area. Lots of storage space in here. Lots of storage space. You guys know I got a lot of shoes. I'm gonna put my shoes on the ground. I promise. I'm not gonna have them out in the bedroom, so you don't have to worry about all that. We can fold our clothes up now. Section off the areas. T-shirts go over here. Jeans, stack them up. Lily's purses, high heels. Bro, we're gonna be coordinated. But yes, y'all. Everything, I love this place, man. I love it. And we got so much to do with it. All right, keep on going. We got other rooms. I almost forgot. See, look, I'm so selfish. I was worried about myself. Run. Come on. This is the other side of the house. This is the kids' area. Like I said, don't get used to the colors because we're gonna do so much with the room. So this is Mama wanted. No, Mama didn't want this room.
No, this Bryce room.
You guys seen from the first video us surprising Mariah. You know, she don't want this room. She wants this to be Bryce's room. So this is gonna be Bryce's room. We're gonna hook it up. We already know we got all the stuff for it. We're just waiting.
He got a spacious closet too.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Mama said something about this because Bryce's closet is a little bit bigger than hers.
Well, Bryce is a boy. He's gonna have all the J's and stuff.
Yeah.
This is their bathroom. They're sharing their bathroom. As you can see, still a lot of storage space. Like, we can put our towels and stuff in here. Well, not in there. Toothbrush, toothpaste goes in there. But we can put towels and stuff under here for them since the toothbrushes and toothpaste is going to be up in that little room. I mean, that little cabinet. But this is Mariah's room. Don't judge. I know it's a little bit small. We don't plan on living here for the rest of our lives, guys. So please, bear with me. This is Mariah's closet. But she just really cares about having space to herself. Like she sacrificed the bigger room so she could just be to herself and play her video games. And she liked it all of the windows.
I knew she would because she's my daughter.
Yeah. Yep, now the same person. But yes, guys. Let's turn this light on. There you have it. That was the open house
Tour. That's the empty house tour.
Empty house.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned for all of the freaking updates that we're going to do to this house. We are so blessed. We worked so hard for this. We didn't even get to show you guys the back deck. Hold on.
Oh yeah, let's go. I forgot. See, so much. I'm just used to having a bedroom, bro.
Well, they got paint right here because they gotta paint this. So the deck gotta be painted. Oh, and that noise that you hear, that's people hunting in our backyard.
Hey. How do you feel on that?
That's people hunting.
Yeah, they're hunting in the backyard.
Yes. Look at that.
Hey, look at all that.
Yeah, so this is our yard right here. My kids got a yard, you guys.
And what we're gonna do is put a fence because we don't want any
deer and
bears to come grab them and chase them in the back of the woods.
Now it's gonna be some lit little books back here.
Yes.
Okay. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay tuned to everything we got planned for this house and for our channel and to just continue to grow. We are so blessed and so thankful and just so grateful. We appreciate all your love and support. And yeah, we're going to talk to you guys on another video.
Gotta go.
Run my check, go. Run it up. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run my check, go. Run it up.